Welcome, gardeners. Let's see what's new at Gorilla Easy Connect. Come on. Gorilla Easy Connect hose connectors make coupling and uncoupling your garden hose and nozzle fast and easy. First, thread the male connector onto your spigot. Next, thread the female connector to your hose. Then pull back on the female connector and slide it onto the male connector. Once connected, give it a slight turn to lock it in place. Next, let's attach our Gorilla Quick Connect nozzle. At the other end, thread the male connector onto the hose. Then attach our spray nozzle with the integrated Quick Connect. Finally, give it a slight turn to lock it in place. To attach and use our sweeper nozzle with the integrated Quick Connect, follow these same steps. These connectors are easy and comfortable to use, especially for gardeners with mobility issues or arthritis. Enjoy watering, knowing your Gorilla Quick Connectors are locked and secure. Gorilla Easy Connect ball valves are perfect for boaters, motorhome and RV enthusiasts, auto detailers, and more. For your convenience, Gorilla Easy Connect ball valves are also available with the same Quick Connect features. Gorilla Easy Connect 3-piece garden tools are ergonomically designed for easy handling. They're made of solid cast aluminum and should last a lifetime. Gorilla Easy Connect 3-piece garden tools also come with a 10-year warranty. Introducing the new Gorilla Easy Connect gardening gloves. The hands of the Gorilla Easy Connect gardening gloves are made of tough goat skin, while the forearms are made of lightweight cordura. The forearms are designed to protect you from thorns and sharp objects. The lining of the glove forearms are made with a soft, absorbent fabric that make them very comfortable. For added protection, the Gorilla Easy Connect gardening gloves are the only gardening gloves that feature an adjustable strap. You can purchase all Gorilla Easy Connect products online. Visit our website at GorillaEasyConnect.com.